at DataDNA did a market research on the upcoming trends a few days back. It is amazing to see that Microsoft is entering the ONDC framework within a few days of our announcement. Through ONDC, Microsoft intends to introduce social e-commerce in the Indian market. It will also launch a shopping app in India, which will be available on the ONDC network. ONDC is also in the process of completing a small fundraise. This will take its total fundraise to 195 crore rupees. It had earlier raised 157 crore rupees from 17 banks and other financial institutions. Those that have shown interest include HDFC, ICICI, IDBI, India Post, ITC, Marico, Nivea, Samsung India, State Bank of India, Delivery, and Apple. These will in turn help the e-commerce sector to grow far more better than projected. The network first began its pilot on April 29 in Delhi, Bengaluru, Coimbatore, Bhopal, and Shillong. The network is also in the process of adding more and more cities before a nationwide launch. The government's initiative for digital commerce intends to increase the gross merchandise value of digital transactions from 4.5 trillion rupees annually to over 7.5 trillion rupees in the next 5 years. It also looks to expand the coverage of retailers using digital commerce from 15,000 to more than 2 million in 5 years, and also boost the number of Indians using e commerce from 90 million users to more than 250 million users. The global cloud services market is poised to grow at a CAGR of 15.8% until 2030 to become a $1.6 trillion market. Therefore, cloud providers will also have a long runway to go. Although the cloud wars are heating up, both Azure and AWS are performing exceptionally well, growing at 51% year on year and 37% year on year, respectively. This could also be seen as Microsoft's strategic move to take on Amazon's e commerce monopoly. We present you a small set of facts between Azure Cloud and AWS Cloud over the domination in the cloud computing market. Today, Microsoft's intelligent cloud business makes up nearly 37% of its total revenues and 40% of Microsoft's operating income. These figures are expected to grow even further in the coming years. In relation to Amazon, AWS revenues are a small fraction, which is 13% in Q2 of 2021 of the total sales. However, AWS contributes the majority of Amazon's operating income, which is roughly around 60%. We all know how powerful is artificial intelligence. With the upcoming ONDC framework, we see two major technologies taking hold of it. It will prove to be more powerful than ever with respect to ONDC. The large volumes of data generated by both the sellers and the buyers will enable better product recommendation, offer generation, and lower customer acquisition costs. While such a large volume of data is getting generated, the other technology which will be of primary importance is cybersecurity. More and more cybersecurity related tools and newer algorithms to predict attacks might be able to handle these large volumes. ONDC also helps sellers and businesses to establish a direct to consumer channel and reach their customers directly, enabling the elimination of middlemen, which eventually leads to fair prices for customers and a profitable margin for the businesses. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more interesting topics in our channel.